So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will talk about the Infosys DSC and SP hiring guide. So how can you crack this exam? Remember friends, in the earlier video I have already provided you update related to the application process, so how to apply and what are the things you should keep in mind. So if you haven't gone through our previous video, first go through that and first apply that, then only come to this video so that you will get clarity. Remember, I will tell you complete plan and how can you utilize this time properly. Remember friends, this is gonna be mass hiring, so try to solve at least one questions which I will just talk in detail. Okay, so first comment here the Infosys if you need the basically the coding PDF here. Okay, so just comment here Infosys or coding PDF, then I will share you the PDF link too. So first of all, let me tell you some of the important details related to hiring, because you should have idea about the packages, about the process of the assessment, then only you will be able to clear this exam, isn't it? You should know the syllabus, क्या syllabus होता है, कैसा questions आता है. So remember friends, for earlier what was happened that for system engineer and for lower role actually there was aptitude and other things, but now they have changed the pattern. I will talk in further detail. So first thing, the role overview. They are hiring for the role of digital specialist engineer DSC and specialist programmer, and the package they are getting, that is highest package is 21 LPA and minimum package is 6.5 LPA. So those students who are average, you should be target 6.5 LPA. Remember friends, you should know your position, and I think you should be in a good position to solve the DSA questions, okay, because the DSA will play a critical role in this selection. The eligibility criteria is 2026 pass out batch, CS, IT and circuital, means almost every branches are eligible for this wonderful opportunity, and this is pan India off campus drive and no referral required. You will get the assessment mail for sure, but you have to apply with the updated resume and all those stuff. So make sure to apply with good resume. Now let me come to the specific things, the assessment framework or how the assessment gonna work. So first there will be virtual assessment, and this is online coding test, so you have to give this test by sitting in your home. Remember, I will make a dedicated video related to the assessment questions, again saying if you are the candidates who have already got, or if you are watching this video after getting the assessment, go through the previous PYQs questions, okay, that's the important things. So this will be online coding assessment and total 4 questions will be there. You have to solve any 3 questions and try to solve at least one question properly completely, then only there will be chance of getting the further mail. If you will not able to pass all the test cases for first, then there is a very I can say low chances for getting selection. So since this is online assessment, so make sure to do this properly and don't do any kind of plagiarism and other, because this will be proctored exam, online proctored, so you might be directly disqualified. So be careful in this. Next, round 2 will be in-person assessment. So those candidates who will clear the round 1 assessment, उनको वही बुलाया जाएगा round 2 के लिए, and this will be in-person assessment. So for that there will be coding, and those students who will clear the coding, means again there will be coding, and those who clear the coding, you have to basically give the interview. Related to interview, again I will make a dedicated video, no need to worry. First focus on clearing the round 1. Your current target should be round 1, then only you have to proceed for the round 2. So whenever any update will come, I will provide update here, so make sure to subscribe us, because you know in this day we have provided lots of video related to earlier the Deloitte hiring, next the TCS NQT, lots of video uploaded. Now similarly I will upload a detailed video for Infosys hiring tool related to coding question and other. So for that you can subscribe us so that you will not miss any job update. Soon Cognizant and other campus hiring will announce, so be ready for that too, okay. That's the reason I was telling you earlier that there will be a lot of hiring will be for 2026, and you are very lucky enough, okay. For 2025 there was very few opportunity, but for 2026 there are mass hiring going on, okay. So utilize this because you have to solve it, okay, otherwise it will not gonna work, means mass hiring will not gonna work. So each round will be having 3 hours, and focus on programming problem, because they have clearly said that this will be the DSA focused rounds, okay. So how to crack the exam? First master the DSA. Now you know very well that you can't master within 5 or 10 days, whatever the timeline you are getting, but try to solve at least more and more questions, especially from the array, string, trees, graph, DP and other. Yeah friends, if you want to get 12 LPA, then you should be aware of graph questions, DP questions, okay. I think there must be one single questions or 1 or 2 questions that will be easier type, not that much easy like the TCS NQT, but yeah, आप एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का एटलीस्ट ट्राई करें खुद से, because through that also you can get 6.25 LPA or 6.5 LPA, the LPA which I have already provided. And if you want to get the highest package like 11 or 21, then you have to solve the graph DP questions, okay. So I will suggest those who are not very well versed in that, focus on the array, string and the basic graph and DP questions. Those who are very versed, means those who already do the competitive programming on LeetCode or other platform, you can target the 21 LPA, no need to worry. Okay, next, practice coding daily. Now you will be getting very less time, but still utilize this time, practice some of the basic or good कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस. ओके, फोकस ऑन द क्वालिटी रेदर देन द क्वांटिटी. क्वांटिटी पे आपको ध्यान नहीं देखना, क्वालिटी पे ध्यान देना है. अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करे, लाइक द 2 पॉइंटर अप्रोच, लाइक द ग्राफ बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस, लाइक द डीपी क्वेश्चंस, एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट विद इन अ ऑप्टिमाइज्ड वे बिकॉज यू हैव टू पास द टेस्ट केसेस. ओके, एंड Infosys are very harsh, what can I say, very complex coding pattern, so be careful on that. And post getting that, you have to basically focus on the interview. That I will make a dedicated video for the preparation of the interview. Okay, so revise the core CS subject for the things. So this is the complete guidance. So best of luck for your further process. And the final tips I will say, stay consistent and practice, utilize this time very very well. So you might be getting the assessment mail within 1 or 2 weeks, so utilize that time. Okay, and focus on problem solving approach, avoid guesswork in coding, be confident during interview. That the further process I will make a dedicated video. So the main things, again I'm saying, practice and start DSA questions now. DSA is the only key to get into the Infosys for this year. Okay, I will also upload the dedicated video related to the candidates who have cleared these exams. So for that you can comment whether you need that video or not. And best of luck, again saying friends, I don't want to waste your much time, but the main things again saying, don't do any plagiarism or cheating in exam, otherwise you will be directly disqualified. But yeah, I think you know very well that if you know how to do cheating, means I'm not saying to do cheat, but if you know, then do properly, otherwise you will be directly deselected. And there is a very, you can say, complex algorithm from the Infosys. So this is the complete things, and best of luck. कोई भी query feel free to ask her. I am always here to help you. We can connect on LinkedIn or Insta or Facebook or WhatsApp or whatever platform you are comfortable with. You can ask your questions. So best of luck. मिलते हैं next important video में. Thank you.